أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. السلام عليكم. أريد من خلال هذا la présentation تقديم عمل السيدة قرفي رقية التي تعتذر على عدم إمكانيتها تقديم هذا الملخص على العمل، وهذا لظروف معينة. إذا سأقوم بتقديم هذا العرض في بضع دقائق غدي. إذا الموضوع هذا العرض هو Characterization of a self-compacting concrete containing biomass ash by non-destructive testing. The abstract: self-compacting concrete is one of the most innovative concrete in the field of construction. It is characterized by good workability, homogeneity, and rheological stability. The addition are essential compounds in this concrete. They are a source of inconvenience with environmental impact. In this work, the use of agricultural waste, wood ash, and an addition in the formulation of a BAP with a rate of 0 and 15, and we studied the effect of this biomass ash on the variation of the density in the hardness state and the homogeneity of this concrete by the rebound hammer and the ultra pulse velocity tests. The results obtained show that the addition of biomass ash increases the compactness, hardness, and homogeneity of the studied concrete and gives a satisfactory results on compressive strength. In the valorization of biomass ash, and in particular wood ash in the formation of self-compacting concrete, the valorization of this ash is the object of several research works. The material used is different. Is two classes of gravel, 3 by 8 and 8 by 15. One class of dune sand, Portland cement, and limestone filler, superplasticizer, and biomass. You can see in the table the constituent, the oxide constituent of different of the wood ash and the limestone filler. The experimental procedure is to substitute limestone filler by wood ash in the quantity of 15%. We use the chain formulation with fixed parameters of dosage of aggregate and ratio of water by cement, rebound hammer, and ultrasonic velocity of the space were used with or according standard method. Result and description: change in density in the hardness state. From this figure, it can be seen that the density of the ash by the self-compacting concrete is higher compared to the control wall one. It can be said that the wood ash plays the role of void filler, which makes the concrete denser. With the effect of wood ash on rebound hammer index and compressive strength, we can see that the control concrete 0% show a higher rebound index than the wood ash based self-compacting concrete, indicating that the concrete without addition is harder compared to 15 ash based concrete. The compressive strength obtained by the rebound hammer test is about 50 for the control and 47 for the concrete with addition of wood ash. It is concluded that the introduction of 15 of wood ash and an additional partial replace the limestone filler negatively affect the compressive strength. The effect of wood ash on ultrasonic pulse velocity strength of self-compacting concrete. The ultrasonic pulse velocity through the wood ash-based self-compacting concrete is faster compared to the control. This is justified by the increase in density of the wood-ash mixture in the. In conclusion, from this study, we can conclude that the density of the ash-based self-compacting concrete is higher compared to control wall. The compressive strength obtained by the rebound hammer test is about 50 megapascal. The ash-based concrete is more homogeneous than the concrete without addition. The maximum compressive strength measured by the combined method is given by the control. We can say that the introduction of wood in self-compacting concrete increases the compactness, hardness, and homogeneity and gives a satisfactory results on